Hi everyone, so I am back with another journal. This one is Postal Scraps, which is a kit from Tracie Fox. I done a journal a couple of weeks ago using this kit and I do love the kit, so guess what, I done another one. So this is a traveller's notebook size journal. It measures 8 by 4.5. It has one signature, 60 pages front and back. Will be listed in my shop if you're interested. I will put a direct link to that below. Right, let's get on with it. So I used a window envelope for this, and then it's got like the closure is a booklet tie closure, so that's a booklet. Whoops. And it's just got a little booklet there that you can do additional writing in or stuff things inside. So that is the closure that goes on like that, and then we have, where's the middle? I don't know where the middle is. Oh, we'll get there. But that is the cover. Absolutely love these papers from that kit. I don't even think I've used everything in the kit yet. It's quite a big kit. So yeah, window envelope here. So I popped this like postmaster behind there. And let's go inside. I'll just do that again quickly to show you that. Don't know how many pages, but in total I told you there's 80 pages. Excuse my voice. It's allergies. It's horrible. Right, so that's one of the pages. I printed that on cream paper. Here we've got tags and ephemera from the kit. And that goes in that pocket there. I love the airmail there. This is from TaylorMadeJournals. Then we've got a little tuck here with, this is from the Field Notes layered tags from Tracie Fox. And we've got some pieces here from the kit. And I used that envelope from the kit as a pocket. And then we've got some more here from TaylorMadeJournals. This is from ARTYmaze. Just thought nice to add some bits and bobs in there. And then we got the postman on his bike. Can't see them on bikes anymore. They come in vans these days. They get dropped off on my street at the top. I only live on a little street, but they come. There's little like cul-de-sacs off the street, so they come. They park their van up. All the dogs in the street starts barking, and they go around and they post their letters, and then they all get back in their vans and off they go to the next destination. So again, this is from the kit. Made pockets from the kit, made these tags up using these little guys, and then some labels there from ARTYmaze and bits from the old design shop as well. I think this is ARTYmaze. Some square paper, coffee dyed, some ledger paper. There's lots of journal space. Got a flip up, flip down, somewhere to journal. I'll squish that there. And we've got a tag here, and you can either glue up the sides of this like here and here and make it a pocket, or you could just like tuck things inside. Not that obviously because it's too big, but you could tuck them in there like so. And then we've got this page here, got some lined paper, got a pocket here with the tag. Added some bits and bobs to that, and then that is from the kit as well. That's from the kit. Here we've got some more Field Notes layered tags, and this from ARTYmaze. This is from TaylorMadeJournals. Now that I'm going to do it that way. That's just a flip up, but you can tuck things in there, and then you've got a little notebook there. There's like 4 or 5 pages, something like that you can journal on. And then that is the signature. That's the center of the signature. So we've got that on there. And then this is a flip out, like so. And then that tag is in there. And that goes on up there. Journal space. Tag. ARTYmaze, Tracie Fox. Little pockets there, and here we've just got a little flip there. That's ARTYmaze, that is Tracie Fox. Lined paper, got some more tags here and ephemera pieces. another tag there. Just that was already on there, so I just added this little guy, label from ARTYmaze. This is from the old design shop. Folded that round and pop that in there. And we've got that flip there. I was trying to pull that out, it doesn't come out. It's part of the ephemera. Don't know what way that goes in, that away. I've got a couple of tags here. And then we've got another little flip out, and we've got this guy here. Again on his bike. And then that's all from the kit. And then we've got another one of these flip up things. So you can tuck things in there, and then you've got your note pages to journal on. And I just stitched that onto that piece there. And then here we've got another flip up, flip down, either make it into a pocket or stuff things inside. Tag there. And we've got little tag there, and then that is a flip out like so. So that is the journal. So if you're interested in this, you can find the link below in the description box. There we go. I think that looked quite cute with the wraparound booklet closure. Easy peasy. So there we go. Any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.